I'm Lia with Hines Company. We're here in the showroom at the Washington Design Center in Washington, D.C. Started as a designer. I worked at Marriott, and then I worked at an architectural design firm for a while, and then I decided to switch sides, and I came to Hines about 4 years ago. A little bit of background about Hines Co. So we are actually what you would call a destination showroom because we just have such a wide range of products, and we focus on very high-end products that you can't find anywhere else. And we carry some of the most storied names in the design industry, like Pierre Frey, Samuel & Sons, Jim Thompson, Giles, and it's a really great mix because we're an independent showroom. We can kind of curate the best products, and we cater to both the residential, high-end residential, and also contract and hospitality, especially hospitality. So one of our recent design projects is the Virginia Mae Center at the National Cathedral. So it was a building that they did as part of the cathedral complex, and they have a beautiful library there. It's gorgeous, and on all the sofas and the chairs is Mont Blanc Fatigue. We did that with Smith Group, and I worked with them on that, finding the perfect leather for that. They wanted that look, that natural, to kind of blend in with the stone, and just that is the leather on the banquettes throughout the space, and there's leather in the classrooms and also in the chapel. It looks gorgeous, it looks beautiful, and they were really happy with it. I heard about Mont Giles because when I was a designer, we used leather, and I know Marriott really likes Mont Giles. I believe Mont Giles is the best leather in the industry because first of all, the color palette is unsurpassed. Natural product, it's beautiful, it's durable, and it's versatile. So I've always liked it. Another reason that Mont Giles is so great is because the sustainability aspect. That's first of all, with the olive tan leather, you were the first to have that, and then now the carbon neutral leather. And sustainability is now at the forefront of everyone's minds, especially with our contract and hospitality firms. There's a lot of codes they have to follow now, like the DC Green Code has gotten pretty stringent, whether it's vinyl wall covering or vinyl faux leather, all that stuff they just don't use it anymore. And so now what do they use? They have to use leather.